When it comes to protecting your home and family, one of the most important aspects of security is your front door. It serves as the primary point of entry, and ensuring it is strong, secure, and properly installed can make a significant difference in preventing break-ins and enhancing the overall safety of your home. If you're a homeowner in Knoxville, investing in professional door installation should be a top priority. Not only can a well-installed door improve your home's curb appeal, but it also plays a vital role in safeguarding your property. In this article, we will explore why door installation is essential for enhancing home security in Knoxville, and how upgrading your doors can provide long-lasting benefits for your family's safety. Stronger and more secure materials. Older doors or poorly constructed doors can be weak spots in your home's security. When you install a new door, especially one made from high-quality materials, you are upgrading to something that is both more durable and secure. Steel doors. One of the most effective choices for home security is a steel door. Steel doors are highly resistant to forced entry, making them a more secure option than wooden doors. Whether it's an intruder trying to break in or the elements taking their toll over time, a steel door is built to withstand harsh conditions and offer better protection for your home. Fiberglass doors. Another excellent option for enhanced security is fiberglass doors. These doors combine strength and durability with the aesthetic appeal of wood. Fiberglass doors are resistant to warping, cracking, and rotting, ensuring that they continue to perform well under various weather conditions. Wooden doors with reinforcements. If you prefer the look of wood, make sure to choose a solid core wooden door that is properly reinforced. These doors are dense and resistant to forced entry, offering great security while still providing that classic wood look. By opting for stronger materials, you are effectively reducing the risk of unauthorized entry into your home, which is a crucial step in improving home security. Upgraded locking mechanisms. The security of your door is not just about the material it's made from. The locking system also plays a pivotal role in protecting your home. When you invest in professional door installation, you get the opportunity to upgrade your locking systems to the latest, most secure models. Deadbolt locks. A deadbolt is one of the most secure locking mechanisms for residential doors. It is designed to prevent the door from being opened without a key. Installing a high-quality deadbolt lock adds an extra layer of security to your home, preventing break-ins. Multi-point locking systems. These locking systems secure the door at multiple points, making it much more difficult for burglars to force their way in. Multi-point locks are particularly useful for patio doors or French doors, where a single lock might not offer enough security. Smart locks. Smart locks are becoming more popular in homes across Knoxville. These locks allow you to control and monitor access to your home remotely through your smartphone. With features like remote unlocking, temporary access codes, and tracking who enters and exits your home, smart locks enhance security while offering the convenience of modern technology. By upgrading to a more secure locking system, you'll ensure that your home is more difficult to break into and that you're in full control of who enters your property. Weather resistance and insulation. A properly installed door doesn't just keep your home secure, it also helps with insulation and weather resistance. With Knoxville's varying climate, from hot summers to chilly winters, ensuring that your door is weather resistant will help maintain your home's temperature and reduce your energy costs. Weather stripping. During door installation, professional installers can add weather stripping around the edges to prevent air leaks. This will help keep warm air in during the winter and cool air in during the summer, reducing the need to constantly run your HVAC system. Energy efficiency. Energy-efficient doors, such as those made with insulated cores or double-glazed glass, help improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. In addition to improving your home's energy performance, these doors also block out drafts, which means they offer the added benefit of keeping your home comfortable year-round. Storm doors. For extra protection against severe weather, consider adding a storm door. These doors act as a second layer of defense, providing protection against high winds, rain, and extreme temperatures. By investing in a well-insulated, weather-resistant door, you're improving not only the security but also the comfort and efficiency of your home. Improved aesthetics and curb appeal. While the primary purpose of a door is to secure your home, a new, professionally installed door can also enhance your home's curb appeal. The right door can make a lasting first impression on visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. Stylish and secure designs. Modern doors come in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes. Whether you prefer the classic charm of a wooden door, the sleekness of fiberglass, or the durability of steel, there are many options to match your home's exterior. Professional installation ensures that the door is properly aligned and enhances the aesthetic of your home. Increased property value. Upgrading your front door can increase the overall value of your home. Potential buyers often view a new front door as an indicator of a well-maintained property, and it's a small investment that can pay off if you decide to sell your home. Peace of mind. When you choose professional door installation in Knoxville, you gain peace of mind knowing that your home is properly secured. Professional installers ensure that everything is done correctly, from selecting the right door to properly fitting and installing it, so you don't have to worry about the security of your home. Conclusion. Door installation is an essential step in enhancing your home's security. By choosing strong materials, upgrading your locking systems, and ensuring proper weather resistance, you can create a safer, more efficient home. With the added benefit of improving your home's curb appeal and increasing its value, professional door installation in Knoxville is a wise investment that offers long-term protection, comfort, and peace of mind. If you're ready to upgrade your door, make sure to work with professionals to ensure a flawless installation and maximum security for your home.